Hi everybody, welcome to Jupiter channel. I am Natya Onsekopa. In this video, I would like to discuss regarding proposed dividend, dividend paid, and interim dividend, and how are they treated in fund flow statement. So, from examination point of view, I have referred some question papers, and there I have found some cases where proposed dividend and interim dividend are given. So, first case, liability side, they have given proposed dividend 2 years 2018 and 2019 20,000 30,000, and in additional information proposed dividend of 2018 is paid in current year. Interim dividend of rupees 5,000 is paid. Okay, before going through this problem, I will explain what is proposed dividend, what is dividend paid, and what is interim dividend. Proposed dividend means it is proposed by board of directors, but it is not yet approved in annual general meeting, or it is not yet approved in shareholders meeting. So proposed dividend is just a dividend proposed. It is a short-term provision. Dividend paid is actual dividend paid to shareholders. Interim dividend means the dividend declared and paid between two financial years or in middle of the financial years. Okay, now let me come to the problem. In balance sheet, they have given proposed dividend. Proposed dividend of 2,000 is paid in current year. Interim dividend of 5,000 is paid. Proposed dividend of 2018 is 20,000. So this is paid in current year. And a fresh proposal of 30,000 is made in 2019. So fund from operation calculation, we add proposed dividend of current year to profit to arrive at fund from operation, and we add interim dividend also 5,000 and proposed dividend 30,000 is 2019's proposed dividend. Or we can follow either way, either fund from operation calculation manually or through adjusted profit and loss account. If we follow adjusted profit and loss account, debit side we show proposed dividend and interim dividend. Proposed dividend of current year and interim dividend paid. And in fund flow statement, actual dividend paid and interim dividend paid will be shown. Dividend paid is 20,000, previous year's proposed dividend, which was paid in 2019. Interim dividend paid 5,000. Okay. Now second case. Proposed dividend is not given in balance sheet, but payment of dividend is given as additional information. So in balance sheet, we are not getting any information, but in additional information, they have given dividend paid rupees 10,000, interim dividend paid rupees 5,000. How do we need to consider this now? Let us see. Computation of fund from operation, profit earned during the year, add dividend paid rupees 10,000, interim dividend rupees 5,000. As there is no proposed dividend here given in balance sheet, we are adding dividend paid while computing fund from operation, and we will be showing it in application of fund also. Similarly, in adjusted profit and loss account, it comes in debit side of the profit and loss account. Fund flow statement, applications, dividend paid, interim dividend paid, both are shown. Now come to third case. Proposed dividend is given in balance sheet, but no additional information is given. In this case, we need to consider proposed dividend of 2018 is paid in current year. Otherwise, we need to treat this as current liability and we need to show it in schedule of changes in working capital. If we are showing it in schedule of changes in working capital, we need not to consider it anywhere, or we don't need to consider it anywhere. here we have treated the proposed dividend of previous year is paid in current year. That's why we are adding proposed dividend of current year to profit to arrive at fund from operation. Proposed dividend, so adjusted in adjusted profit and loss account also proposed dividend paid 20,000. This was the previous year's provision and 30,000 is current year's provision. 20,000 was proposed in 2018 and paid in 2019. 30,000 is the proposed dividend of 2019. Alternatively, proposed dividend can be shown in statement of changes in working capital as current liability and no other treatment is required, but it is better to assume proposed dividend of previous year is paid in current year and add the current year's proposed dividend back to profit while computing fund from operation. This is what I have done here, and show the previous year's proposition as paid in application side of fund flow statement. And in the above cases, profit is assumed to be after providing proposed dividend and interim dividend. It means, so sometimes they give in problem that profit is not after providing proposed dividend and interim dividend. It means they have not deducted from profit the interim dividend and proposed dividend. That's why we don't need to follow the all procedures above. Normally they give profit after providing for all these items. Anyhow, thank you for watching. If you have any doubts or need any clarifications, write it down in comment section. I will try to answer those.